Extracting phone data. Okay, let's start analyzing a phone. Extracting phone data with the UFED is a simple operation. All you need to know is the mobile phone make and model. If you're unsure of the make and model, it can normally be found on a label underneath the battery. To perform a logical phone extraction, start by selecting Extract Phone Data from the main menu. Press OK or the right arrow to continue. Next, select the vendor of the phone that you're analyzing. You can quickly scroll the list by holding the down or up arrow. Now select the source phone model. When there is more than one connectivity option available, the source phone link menu is shown. The UFED supports different interfaces to connect to phones. Options include data cables, Bluetooth, and infrared. It's recommended to use a cable connection whenever possible for fastest operations. Next, select the content types that you want to extract from the phone. This list of options will vary depending on the features of the phone model selected. Now specify where you want to extract the data to. Directly to the PC, USB disk drive, or SD card. Here we'll choose a USB drive. The UFED now tells us which data cable to use. Locate the correct cable number in the cable organizer rack. Connect it to the phone and then plug it into the left source side of the UFED. When connecting to the UFED, some phones will ask you to select the connection mode. On the phone, choose Data Connection or PC Suite, depending on the phone model. Back on the UFED, press the right arrow to continue. The UFED will now begin by extracting the data from the phone to the UFED. Note that the data is not yet copied to the USB. After extracting the data, the UFED will instruct you to connect the target media. Make sure the USB is connected to the target side and press OK to finish the task. Great, we finished our first extraction. Now let's take a look at the results. All the data is stored on the USB drive. Each extraction is in a separate folder named by date, phone model, and identification number. Multiple extractions can be saved to the same drive. You're only limited by the size of the USB drive. We can access the information immediately by opening the various HTML files located in this folder using any web browser. We can also produce a more detailed report using the UFED Report Manager software. We'll talk more about that in a few minutes. We performed an extraction to a USB disk. Choosing to write to an SD card is an almost identical process. Extracting directly to PC is also similar, only you'll run the UFED Report Manager software first to retrieve the data from the UFED device.